I will say yard maintenance is one of the biggest home ownership maintenance things. And it's hard to find yard people right now. I mean, you can find yard people, but one, they're expensive. Two, I just don't think they'll do it as good as I will. And I know that. Like, I will come out and weed whack and make sure every single piece is down, mow the yard, it's all gone. And I feel like you kind of get, and there's some good yard people out there, don't get me wrong. But what I'm trying to say is when you buy a home, be ready for yard maintenance, weed whacking, mowing, trimming, everything that comes with the house. And you have to make sure caulking, siding, painting, everything's up to par, because if you ever do want to sell, that's going to hit you. Siding's going to be one, caulking, yard maintenance, how it looks. Come out, you got to weed whack, you got to mow the yard, you got to put flowers around, maintain the gutters, clean them out. I got to get up and clean the roof, even though it's metal. I just don't like that it's a little dirty. But if you're buying a home and you want to be a homeowner, just be aware, like, yard maintenance is no joke. And if you get a good yard guy, keep them, because it's hard to find, and that won't charge you an arm and a leg. It actually will come out, trim, weed, clean, do everything right. I just find it's faster, quicker, easier to do it myself. Yes, it takes time, but I get what I get because I do it right myself. Some other people just probably don't have time, but luckily I do in between. But if you're buying a home, be ready for a lot of maintenance. Home, yard, everything else. All right, Captain Ron out.